Oh, okay. My name is Mpo Mataung. Yeah, ngihlala ePalm Ridge, K1. So ngikule show because khona lo mntana bafethu. Yeah. Yeah, lo mntana igama lakhe Precious. Precious. Ngithanda ukumbiza ngoPresh. So this girl we met on Instagram. Ngaqala ngamfollow and then she followed me back and then like into zaku-Insta uyaposta ngiyalike ngiyaposta uyalike faka lama-hearts like yabona yonke lento le and then we started communicating thola amanamba sikhuluma ku-WhatsApp i-video call and then we call then yeah man ngaqala ngadevelopa lapho yabona so ngabona what athi ke ngizomtshela lento lena because ngishawe kwababa bafethu ukuthi ngimtshele like yabona one on one yabona so ngimbizelana bafethu nizombona lo muntu lona muhle so that's why ngimbizela ukuthi ngizomtshela what Precious ngiyakufuna yeah so hey
Hi. Oh, okay. Hello.
right
Tinta ngitsho.
sharp no like after a long time man since rebuwa vele yabona
No, I mean, I got wait. So why today? Like during the cameras, bro? Like what?
yeah like yabona so like yatsiba lena hore ya man na le ntho e le gore ke batla go tšhaela yona so ke bone gore it's better go tšhaele in front of the camera bo kgona e believe yabona
Why no sunshine phone?
founong bethu ne ka se berile yabona no ka se feel ntho ke e tšhong yabona
It really had to hide. Eye to eye. Okay.
okay sheba man Precious lena wa itse man since re qala communicate ya Instagram then go follow and then you followed me back and then we are post like a comment and then
I appreciate that comment stuff.
yeah and then lena ka mo busy ka di heart
The heart, the heart.
ish man shewa a ke tsebe ke tlo be a jwang diary ne bona ba tseba nke re bitso la show ke oh like about Chela ngiyakufuna
Uyangfuna.
yeah ke bitso la show
Oh, Shoki uyangfuna.
yeah so go tlisitse ho yangfuna
Okay. Shoki uyangfuna should na wena uyangfuna.
yeah o ka e beha jwalo
Mpho. Re bolela everything from tsa tshothi.
like that's why ke tšho ke re ne ke sa batle ho jwetsa founong or ke kope meet up because like le wena ipona moketho motle jwang
So bontle ba ka etsa go ska ntse sa go founong.
yeah ke batla ho jwetsa go bona
Also
yeah
pressure eme. A
yeah
bona gore mo ke misa go teng.
maybe then
Like go go funa go jwang.
oh okay I think we both know ukuthi isikhathi sokudlala sokufuna umuntu just nje sesiphelile leso yabona
Bayadlala.
so mina ngifuna to build lentuza nawe future nawe yabona meaning ukuthi in short I can say ngiyakuthanda
Do you still believe in love?
yeah who cannot believe in love
I mean, I don't.
why
Love.
why
Okay, can you tell me what love is? Mhlambe ngabeliever in love. But now nginje fresh ngislender nginje. Love. Oh hayi ngichazele ukuthi love yini.
kuya ngokuthi wena uthando uma ulicabanga ulibona kanjani yabona and again into engingayisho ukuthi uthando lidinga ukuthi yabona manje kube nabantu abayi-two abazokuvumelana ngento eyi-one
Ufuna ukungihetha wena ne?
who can hate a beautiful lady like you?
Oh, tell bangihetha dog. Come on.
Dala bakhetha
Yo,
okay fine you can try me then and ubone ukuthi angeke ngize ngikhethe
baqala kanjani?
So Since you want a relationship with her, what attracted you to her?
Eish. Everything, bro. Everything about her.
What is everything? Because I don't know her.
I mean, you can see this lady is beautiful.
Are you saying you're attracted by beauty only?
And her personality, bro.
Injan.
Like i-personality yakhe mfethu. Uyabona ukuthi umntana grand. Umntana ongukuthi yabona manje amajita angafisa ukuba naye empilweni yabona amaningi.
Bacala nje kanjalo ukuthi asizami. Sizami. Awu.
No, like you always have this thing ukuthi bayafana, we boys we are like the same. But you know, as far.
Negama lenu niyasho abafana bayafana.
No, as far.
Bayafana.
And like I thought maybe me and you will be on the same page. Why are you comparing me with your?
Angicompare, ngikhuluma iqiniso. Like ngiblela ne for iting ayirahala. Abo na ke tlo ema, ke re ko ena mpokesha. Ya una. Ke re ko ena sharp. Are push em joy. The next thing na kopile ha ke re. Ke tsa. Ba bona bona go tsena.
Mara, okay. Yeah, wena o batla o dlala.
Hayi ukuthi ngifuna ukudlala.
Ufunani?
Okay. Thing is, like, I don't feel love.
Okay.
I want to believe in love.
So, king yenza or ska believer in love. Okay, let me get to keep a doctor or for this appeal ya ha.
O batla nka pelo ya ka. O re go greateng o re. So,
No, like check. Try me.
My question is, why you don't believe in love?
Why I don't believe in love? I've been hurt so many times.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, like so many times to a point whereby I was like, man, fuck love. What's love?
King, never want to.
No, people can't even describe love. So what's love?
So,
I feel like it's more easier when people say they love you.
Yeah.
But the action it's something else.
So never want to closure fair.
Nah. People, I love you. Okay, you love me. Show me that you love me.
Yeah.
Don't just say it. Show me.
No dates, nothing.
Yeah.
No flowers.
You're not talking now. Oh my gosh.
So, okay, fine. Can I ask you one question then?
Mm-hmm.
Or again, if there is any gentleman or loro pilumba how now, that is why.
I'm single. No, I'm not single. I'm alone. I'm on my own. You know why? I got stress. Stress as in
So
the last time I came to Siras, I didn't smile for the whole 1 year. Because
okay. So you're trying to tell me that you are single. Actually, you are alone.
On my own.
You are on your own. Okay, fine. Basically, uthi awufuna ukujabula. You don't want to be happy.
So, that's the pizza.
Yes, Jablis away.
Yeah. In so many ways.
How?
Anjan, I take myself out. Oh, baby. Oh. Yeah, it's so embarrassing to say, Jorge, I've never received flowers in my life.
Are you serious?
I'm for real.
I guess this guy has an opportunity now to take this advantage to prove to you that he loves you.
He does.
Maybe those flowers will make a difference, right?
Thank you. The flowers, little chocolate, nyana.
Ne?
Guys, I'm not expensive, man.
Exactly.
Yeah, but ice cream, nyana.
Even flowers are not expensive.
Yeah, the flowers, they're never expensive. I mean, flowers, maybe they cost 700 to 900 rands. I mean, and that.
Why guys are sleeping out there?
Yeah.
Gents, I'm sure your ex are so embarrassed right now.
Too much.
I wish I knew them. Wow. Guys, flowers, Valentine. I know. Okay, can I tell you something? Mena, even my girlfriend, if she's watching, I'm sorry, babe. I don't believe in Valentine. Eh?
Okay.
For me, I believe that I should spoil my partner all the time. I should do all the things that I need to do all the time. Flowers, whatever. It needs to
I
happen.
feel like whenever you are in a relationship, Valentine should be every day.
You understand?
Yeah.
But now people talk about that, but they don't make actions. You know? So, I believe that I should treat my partner any day, that even when Valentine comes, it's just an extra thing. You understand?
Yeah.
She must not make Valentine feel like it's the biggest thing. You understand? She must get all the treatment all the time so that she enjoys love.
Hence, I'm saying Valentine should be every day.
I know some.
You are in a
I'm sorry to say this, but I know some girls only get flowers on Valentine.
Yeah, and I've never received flowers, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Guys, okay, something.
Okay.
Senior doesn't mean they're not.
Okay. Or you arranged. Wow. Okay. So manje him. No, I'd but not say, but but then okay, fine. How bona or how sharp maybe or ube motho lo ro single, but then o sa smash wa ke di male based into tse jwa. You need your own man.
Own man. Ko shara le banyana ba 5. Oh.
No. You would.
Oh, how sure?
As I said, I'm different. And then like nako shebile. Ke shebile like
Okay, that's listen. With different jwang.
ke different jwang. Nka treat her as a queen, just like you look like a queen.
But okay.
I'm a man of my words. And like Phinda, keep me haholo, but my actions.
So you said you wanna say something.
Yeah, I wanted to say something to Mpo. I know he's watching, and thank you, Mpo, for continuing camera. That's what I want to say. Yeah.
Why are you saying that?
Thing is, Mpo, what's about the camera? That's the thing.
Oh.
So I'm thinking more like na batla go berekisa that advantage. Okay, fresh urata this thing.
Yeah.
So then
okay.
Maybe we'll do. Yeah. Yeah, Mpo. Yo. Really want plashisa. Oh.
Wa blush, I know.
So I can blush out or naka.
I didn't say young nyaka, but my actions out the bonds or nyaka.
Go blush a fella. Anga blushes are everywhere. The cameraman and gaba blushes up both.
Okay, fine. I'll really go to blush.
Okay.
Like check. With the comments, oh, you're like so cute, honey. You're like abana manji. Like you gave me that hope.
Oh, look, you do cute. I get somebody was starting it's all a guy, ali nice, ali tese kam a Joe, like upila. It's okay na.
More like okay, I lead the hearts, the most heart, like the fire emoji. Like you know, like
people that I just say guy gore o nice. Nka se khono mo jetsa, nka se khono mo fa like the emoji tse tsa di heart.
Mara like okay fine, I didn't thought so, but you gave me that hope or maybe one day nalo ena bona re tla ba item. Like
why ba tlo re go.
Okay fine. Okay cool.
Shebon tsa balon sheba.
Umupila. Umuhle. So like mara like for that thing, man.
Go for the butterfly feelings.
Ish.
Ay man, it's nah man, it's more man. What's in oil?
So you're meaning or my happiness why crash avele.
Crash happiness
like oh like you on 10 town vele but like go tlele ko ntlong vele like in front of the world they get disappointed.
Like
Mind or get your queen.
Serious?
Yeah.
You. Oh, sure.
I'm serious.
Wow.
I mean,
A lot of people get shy to say things things the way they feel them.
Oh my gosh, I'm not shy, hey?
Yeah, so
Yo.
I like the fact that you are saying things the way you feel in them.
Yeah.
It shows, you know, you are not trying to sugarcoat things. You're not trying to make things look a certain way. Yeah, big ups to that. If I had money, I'll buy you flowers and I'll be like you.
Buy them now,
You know what I'm saying? I don't have money.
You lie.
I'm telling you. Nyakufu.
Wait, na ke nagana eng? Ne ke re ngfuna nanga ne lerato lo le nyakang nka se kgone ho pha lona, you know. So now I was thinking, how about re ba benefits, if you don't mind.
Yeah, I feel asintshone ke expectile. But it's good.
Oh, grand ka yona.
Yeah, glaba grand ka yona because I have no choice.
XA, how's it, bro?
Yeah, grand mfethu wena.
I'm not. My name is Lee. I'm the guy that was handling you, you know, to come to the show. So it's nice that it looks like your thing went well. I don't know.
Yeah, mfethu, I can say izamile kwelinye side ezamanga yabona.
Don't you think you didn't lose?
Yeah, I didn't lose, but we all know in totally friend zone, friendship, sometimes the idea fail, yabona.
Sure. Ungakhetha ama feelings ke.
Already signal zona di-feelings mos.
Mpho.
Even loud utsimo pela commander this chemistry man.
Yo, damn.
So that's why ke tlazama even though nesenche ke batla. Now I don't want a friend, but I want a
So na how
girlfriend.
itla mono o nagana gore na ke tlo tsaya le wena. Re be mnate, re pushe mjole, go be all right. Re be on and honest.
Yeah, like I thought so.
Yes.
And I can change ke batla eo vele.
Yes.
But hey, as you say, with benefits if it can sebeletsa.
But now, I mean, I think even though I'm not like supporting the friends with benefit thing, but I feel like you are in a position to prove yourself. You are in a good position to prove yourself that she needs someone.
Yeah, I know that.
So maybe use this opportunity to show her that she needs someone full time who can give her sex without having to have friends with benefit. Like you can be a full time boyfriend, basically.
Yeah, I will use this opportunity to make her see that I'm really serious about her.
A re bue ka taba tsa go betting.
Yeah.
Wa frya mazambani like wa performa re shaya ntwa o since na le
It's up to you or tlo iponela and then we could le rena ke vaya
5
jang.
minutes not long again.
I don't do ntho tsa bana tsa di shortcut.
Oh my god. Serious.
So, okay, fine. I just was about the friends of Benedict. So then he come and then we could le then ntjetse go tla o batla o isia vele.
Se ke nagana no gore
Mara tsa wang hate mara.
nkutlwisa botlhoko gore ka o heta.
Like so I was
Imagine feeling like o hetiwa. Like I'm not at all.
Like so I was like imagine na ke le show ra bona. I get lo mo ke tlabe ke tshwere love of my life. Ya bona. Mara still mo kenya ko friend zone. It's not cool.
Mara this friend zone ain't all the benefits in yana.
Okay, man. I don't really have much questions because this was also quite difficult to produce, you know. But at the same time, I feel like it's not a bad outcome, you know, based on the decision that she made that you guys are going to be friends with benefit.
Yeah.
So basically, your relationship, guys, is based on sex right now. But you're still friends.
But we are still friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, orata style sa speng.
Kaofela.
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 Wena. Kaofela.
Kaofela.
Nampho. Tlamelo go be le favorite ya ha 1 1 1 1 1.
1. Okay, check. Marai. Off. Anke go nkentse go friend zone. So tshwanetse go jwetsa all the details.
Pho.
So wena batla ke jwetse motho le ngong hetile ke tlo tloa mo ke le and then every details.
Why now some botsa favorite style ya ka ke?
Wena maro 30 minded but anyway.
Who's like this guy?
Anyway then.
Ay, spadala mpho re ba.
Ake ba golo pating.
Ya, re plele ka dintho tse so wena. Wow, sa mpotse sa gore
Ke o nya ka ntshwetsa.
Women on. Women on top, yeah.
And then, okay, this one I think I'm free to laugh. She asked you a question that, what is your favorite position, and you failed to answer it?
Yes. To answer that.
Why did you fail to answer it?
Because I was not sure about the Wensivele so Puma or Labulenda or Sinjana Bonene Bengafun Gumchelo Wongama details now, Melbourne.
Didn't you think that you failing to answer that question might be, 1 point lost?
I didn't think of that.
Tell me, what is your favorite position? I want to know. For viewers to know. I get you're not in a relationship, so you don't have to hide it.
Okay.
Maybe she's watching, she's gonna be smiling.
Okay, to be honest, bro, like, would say the position that she chose, the same position that I love.
Okay. Next. Wait, so are you saying your favorite position is woman on top?
Yeah.
Oh my daughter. Wait, it's the first time I hear a guy saying this. I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah, it's first time I hear this. So
No, like
forgive me for laughing. Tell me, okay. So you prefer a woman being on top when I'm not you being on top?
yeah, what there's not much there's no sense of journey, but
Say it.
like how I do my things,
Yeah.
Okay, sharp. I can ride a girl, name, and be on top. I really enjoy it. Ne?
Mm-hmm.
But then I need to give it a chance and then
Yeah, so your favorite is her being on top instead of you being top. So are you lazy or what? I'm serious. I'm kidding, man. It's your preference. So everyone has a preference. Everyone has a preference. She's watching for sure. So she already, I think this will be like good for her because it's something that she enjoys.
Yeah, to make her happy must make her enjoy.
Phinda, please switch on the fan because it's hot in the house.
I prefer my favorite.
Yeah. Even this guy.
Like,
Sheba Slender say na we na. Ah, na. Sheba Slender say. Sheba pilo sa ja.
someone won't reject Amar.
Bakutlela morago ga
Marai, I ain't sorry sharp. Wrong reject.
No.
I'm like, why then? Why?
Why? Why? Why? Mara re poletse gore why akere. In fact, taba tsa mojola
I decided.
no re have fun.
Have fun.
On. Sa gore hey baby ka o rata love you too ke maka. Maka.
Oh, like it. Very se plantile that thing in your mind, or there's no love.
Oh, na mojola se ntho tsa ka shem. Accepting. Umpaletse. I umpaletse.
Okay.
Mara takela. Smile. Smile.
She what lumplashisa in front of the camera manje.
Ha una taba le bona. Una taba le bona.
Manje lumplashisa na movie.
Ya ke ruplashisa nna. Nagana umplashisa ke sona no. Etsena ha go ruplash.
Okay.
O takela wait.
No more. Mara it's head or abona manje ke tlo ba friend.
Oh.
Okay. Aksa khotlela mra, aksa khotlela aksa rhlela
So
khona.
nalo yena ga ya gore benefit.
Yeah.
Guys.
Cameraman.
Yo. Okay.
Hello.
At least cameramen are here. Guys, Phinda.
Phinda Wakhe. Hello.
Wow. But also the thing I like about this show is that it teaches gents, you know, it teaches ladies, or you know what, you should put extra effort in relationships.
Okay, Mr. Director, do you believe in love?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm such a believer. I even like believe in I believe in blind love even.
Wow.
Yeah. I believe in love so much that I even believe in blind love.
You lie.
I'm serious.
Gosh.
Yeah, but I'm taken.
Nah, sokshera, ungawara sokshera.
Guys, come on. This lady. I'm the one who's supposed to be interviewing you.
Sokshera, dog. Come on, no.
I know I believe in polygamy, but not this time.
Not this. Sharing is caring. How?
Yeah, I believe it. Even my lady knows I believe in polygamy, but for now I'm satisfied where I'm standing. Yeah.
Who's the lucky lady?
Don't worry.
Bona. Sharp. Now we are friends with benefits, right? So since we are friends with benefits, Uskana hana like se ko kentse ta for sharp. You are my friend with benefits. Performance that have it's on okay. Now we can buy. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then let's jwang hore no performance tsa ka di nketsa di approve or na le na re ka vibe.
Ah, babes, go jwetsa. Go botsa. Go jwetsa pila.
Okay.
Not straightforward. Come on. The review about Pela. I press, I do everything. I'm gonna tell you obviously. Or I'm Zala. We are petting. No.
Like sira su kan chesa nso be.
Yeah, no, even no.
Mino re kuna le tsa hore banna ba iheng.
Ba hang. So how better go betting ke thole?
Wa jo. Musa bethu va yo.
Po. Wait a mara department ele yang better for e jwang. Tlamele ke jabule. Mpokeng wa ka ra o itshepiso.
No, ke itshepa.
Mara wa bona self confidence a ileng mo.
Ke itshepa but ke batla ba show re very like a bona king. A le na record.
Bona press I born by then.
Okay.
So on again, on and honest. Again.
Yeah, on and honest, but let's hope I won't regret.
Never. So come press. AKA slender samata paraba. Ha, never. Ka.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah. On.
On.
Thank you so much, man. I don't really have so much to ask. Maybe you guys will take this to another level. But wow, what an interesting thing. So, any last words to her? Since she is watching the show for sure, obviously.
Ngisho kuyo ukuthi as artists sibe ku-friends with benefits. I promise angeke aze I regret, yeah? And then I'll make sure ukuthi yabona manje uyarealize ukuthi yabona manje as in I'm serious mangithi ngiyamfuna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Precious, I hope you're watching and this guy really loves you. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
I'm glad that you said this in front of the camera, guys. Everyone, look at them splashing and stuff. Okay, one of them I think is singer. Maybe we can sort out something.
Okay, who's singer?
Wait.
No, which one?
You
Which one
don't.
is singer?
No, I won't tell you because you know why? What are you saying? Do you want the mic?
No, I'm saying she must.
She must what? No, kulmana phezulu. She must what? Hey, Wakhe.
It's running away. Okay, it's running away. The thing is, I can't give you these guys because you don't want the relationship. I don't want you to break my guys. The next thing they're coming to work with moods. Yeah, I don't want that. I'm sorry. So yeah, then talk to me. Then I arrange an episode. Me, I don't waste content. I don't waste content. There's no behind the scene thing.
After replay, it's fine.
Okay. You know what? I think I'm happy because we can have another episode if possible. Are you gonna do it, Maji? Are you ready? Are you ready? He can't even talk. I don't know what's wrong with him. Yeah, one of them blushes.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, every day I ask myself, how do these cameramen feel? Because almost every episode, they're looking at them. Yeah. This is very interesting.
I was strong.
I need to expose them.
Guys, are you taken? Phinda? No moon. Wakhe.
They won't even talk. Wow. Okay, but Preshne.
Okay.
Now, I don't want the guy to be watching and feel jealous. Because, I mean, obviously, you are here because of him. He's the one that brought you in the show.
Yeah.
So, give him a chance. Maybe, I don't know. I don't want to make a decision for you, but give him a chance. You said you want to see how he does his things. You know what I'm saying? So, hopefully you will know soon or, things are happening.
The only chance I'm going to give him is like competing and see how things go.
Oh my
Then
God.
from there,
So if he fails there,
then if he fails, not zero.
and he didn't tell you his favorite style. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the longest episode. I need to go on the street and shoot near Tambana now. I need to go make a couple switch phones. So let me let you go. Thank you so much for coming through.
Thank you for having me on your show,
I really enjoyed
guys.
the
Thank you
episode.
so much. I enjoyed. Thank you.
The crew are smiling. They've been smiling this chance. They're actually enjoying it too. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.